Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TTOO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time. Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line right there. Sure, that level still pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, they tend to act as support. And that's actually already played out here very, very nicely. So 75 cents was that level of resistance going into today, but the price got the gap up above it. And then on the pullback, sure, it didn't hit it exactly, but I think we can all agree, got well, within that range of 75 cents before starting to work its way back upwards. So definitely a nice little sign there that 75 cents is now acting as support. From more so an overarching point of view, that is where now the purple line down here comes into play, which is the 50-period moving average. Keyword being moving, so as the week plays out, that line will continue to move itself higher and higher. So a great way to judge the overall health of the move, that right there being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 75 cents would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Initial level of resistance, keep an eye on, going to be right up there at the 88 cent mark. If the price can break through 88, then after that, that's kind of almost like a little miniature blue sky breakout because the next key level after that is not until the party stopped today during that first 30 minutes. That was up there right around $1.05. But before you start talking about doing battle with $1.05, like I said, the price first needs to get back up above, this 88 cent range. So we'll see if the price can do that or not. All in all, though, you got to give credit where credit's due. Sure, the price pulled back today from its highs, but the price did chip away and build that higher base. So as long as those higher bases continue to be put into place as time plays out, that's how those trends are constructed. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.